Hello everyone from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about knapsack problem in greedy method. Myself, Dr. M. Purushottam Reddy, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So first here, what is meant by knapsack problem? Here knapsack problem is, knapsack means it is a bag. In that bag, it has only limited capacity. Only few items depending on the capacity and the weight only we insert the elements into the bag. And also here we come to this knapsack problem in greedy method. Here depending on the weight values, depending on the maximum weight value, maximum capacity value, we insert the corresponding elements in the bag and we maximize the profit. Maximize the profit in this knapsack problem. Here, fractional knapsack problem. Fractional knapsack problem means here in that bag, suppose we have some three elements. For example, here you see the first element A. A has a weight 10 value, that means profit 60. Weight 20, value 100. Here weight 30, 120. Here capacity is how much is there? 50. We insert this capacity here, weight is 10, so directly we insert this full one here. 10 completed. Next year 20 also we can directly insert this total value. 10 plus 20, 30 already completed. Remaining only 20 value we take from this 30 value. So 30 into 2 by 3, 30 into 2 by 3, that value is 20. So this 20 weight value we insert here. And we calculate the corresponding value. Corresponding value is 60 here. Profit value is 60 plus here 100 plus here in this 120, here in this weight 30 we take only 2 by 3 part. So here also in this 120 will take 2 by 3 part. So now here we get that maximum profit value 240. On the solution set is here 1, 1, 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 is a fractional value. So this knapsack problem is called as fractional knapsack problem. Next here. Now this is the general procedure of knapsack problem. So here knapsack problem, here you see that here let us apply the greedy method to solve the knapsack problem. Here all objects are objects is there in this knapsack. The object I has a weight Wi and the knapsack has a capacity, maximum capacity is M. If a fraction xi, that value lies between 0 and 1 of object I is placed into the knapsack, then the profit pi xi is n. The object is to fill the knapsack that maximize the total profit n. So maximize profit, that formula is summation or I equal to 1 to n pi xi. So this maximize this profit with respect to the subject function, summation or I equal to 1 to n ai xi less than equal to m maximum. M is the maximum capacity of the that bag. So depending on this maximum capacity, we insert the elements into the bag. Next, here we see that algorithm of knapsack problem. So this is the algorithm of knapsack problem. Here M is the, and here we have M and N. Here N is means number of objects in that bag with respect to given weights and profits are given, and M is the maximum capacity value. Now for I equal to 1 to n do, initially we will take that that solution set value, that xi value is equal to 0. U is assigned to M. Now here for I equal to 1 to n do, first we check Wi greater than equal to U. So M value is stored in U is the maximum capacity value. Then break. Otherwise, so we assign xi value is 1 and we subtract that maximum that weight value from that maximum capacity value. So like this we insert all the elements into the bag, into the all the objects into the bag. So here if I less than equal to n, so if I value less than equal to n means that capacity, that weight value is lesser than the maximum, is more than the maximum capacity value. In that one we take fractional value, xi is equivalent to u by w of I. U divided by u is the maximum capacity value, wi. So here we get xi value is in terms of fractions. So in this way, we find the solution set values and also maximize the profit with respect to the given maximum capacity value. So this is the problem. Here you see in this problem 4 profits. So here n equal to 3. Here 3 objects are there. M value is 20. Maximum capacity value is 20. The corresponding 3 profit values are given. That values are 25, 24, 15. And corresponding weight values are given 18, 15, 10. So first we try to fill the knapsack by selecting the objects in some order. Now here we see that first here maximum capacity value is 20. First here we choose all the fraction values to fill this 20 or less than the 20. Here condition is here Wixi summation Wixi is less than or equal to maximum capacity M. That is the condition. So here we take randomly that x1, x2, x3 values 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So Wixi value here we find that value, multiply that values. W1 value is 18 into 1 by 2 x1. W2 value is 15 into 1 by 3 x2 value. W3 value is 10. 10 into this value is 1 by 4. Multiply these values, we get 16.5. 16.5 is then the less than that maximum capacity value. So calculate corresponding profit value. The maximized profit value formula is summation Pi Xi. P1 into 25 into 1 by 2 plus 24 into 1 by 3 plus 15 into 1 by 4. Find that value. That maximum profit value is 24.25. Suppose we will take x1 value fully, we will take that one. So x1 value is fully we take that means 18 will take, we insert that value. Remaining how much value is there in that maximum capacity? 2. This 2 value we take from second weight. So 2 by 15 multiply with 2 by 15. Third value, there is no chance to insert this third object into the bag. So we take that value is 0. Here we calculate Wixi value, we take that value is 20. This 20 value is equivalent to 20. So it satisfies that maximum capacity value. So now we calculate this maximum profit value, that value is 28.2. Now here the solution set is x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2 by 5 and x3 value is 0. So maximum profit value is 28.2. Next, suppose we take x1 value is 0, x3 value is 1. So x3 value is 10. 10 into 1 is 20. So here 10 into 1 is 10. So remaining how much value is there in that maximum capacity value? Remaining 10. We take the 10 value from W2 value. So W2 value is 15. 15 into 2 by 3. This value is 10. So 2 by 3 is the x2 value, x2 constraint value. Now find the corresponding maximum profit value. That value is 31. Next here, see another way is here using that P1 divided by W1, P2 divided by W2, P3 divided by W3. Depending on these values, we find that x1, x2, x3 values. So P1 divided by W1 value is 1.4. P2 divided by W2 value is 1.6. P3 by W3 value is 1.5. Now here first, here sort the objects in non-decreasing order ratio Pi by Xi. Select the object with maximum Pi Xi ratio. So x2 equal to 1. So among this maximum value is this one. So we choose x2 equal to 1. So actually x2 value is how much? 15. 15 we insert that one. Next maximum value is this one, x3, P3 value, W3 value. W3 value is 10. From this one we will take remaining 5 value. 10 into 1 by 2. That value is 5. So here x2 value is 1, x3 value is 0.5, x1 value is 0. x1 value is 0. Now in this case, we find the maximum profit value. Maximum profit value is Pi Xi. So P1 here, P2 value is 24. 24 into 1 plus 15 into 1 by 2 plus That P1 value into 0 value is 0. 24 plus 7.5, that is that value 32.5. In this case, we get 32.5 maximum capacity value. So in this case, here we observe that among all these methods, in first random method, we get 24.5 is the maximum profit value. In second case, we get 28.2. In third case, here we get 31. In fourth case, we get 32.5. So this fourth case gives the maximum profit value. So now the solution set is x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 1, x3 equal to 0.5. This is the optimum solution. So here we show that one here. That value is 31.5. So x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 1, x3 equal to 1 by 2. This is the solution set. This is the optimal solution, and maximum profit value is 31.5. Next, fractional knapsack problem. So in fractional knapsack problem, the name suggests that it divides some of the weight values to divide with some fraction value. Now here in step 1, first we compute profit by weight ratio values. Next, first we are arranging all that one in decreasing order. First, we choose the first constraint weight value as 1. That first constraint value is 1, and also insert that complete weight into the bag. Next here you see one problem. Here maximum capacity value is 60. Here totally 5 objectives are there. So all that weights are given here. All that values are given. Now here first here we find P1 by W1, Pi by Wi values. So 30 by 5, 6. Now 40 by 10. 40 by 10, 4. 15 by 45. 45 by 15, 3. 77 by 22. 77 by 22. 22, 3 ja. 66. 3 point something. 3.66 means remaining 11 is there. 3.5. So 90 by 25. 25, 3 ja. 75. 15, 150.6. So first to insert, so highest value is 6. First to insert this weight value into the bag. So 5 completed. Next here, next to insert 4. 4 value is 10, 15, totally 15 completed up to this. So remaining how much value is there? 45 in that bag. So 15 completed. So already, so this this value is x1. X1 value is 1. X2 value is 1. Next to consider 3.6. 3.6 is 25. So 15 plus 25, 40. So this one is x5. x5 value is also 1. So 15 plus 25, 40. 40 completed. Next remaining how much value is there in that maximum capacity? 20. Next to insert 22. From this 22 we take only 20. So 22 we take only 20. So 20 by 22. 2 10 jar, 2 11 jar. So my 10 by 11. So this value is x4. x4 value is 10 by 11. So remaining x3. x3 there is no chance to insert that one. x3 equal to 0. Now find maximum profit value. Maximum profit equal to now 30 into x1 1. 40 into 1 plus 45 into 0 plus 77 into 10 by 11 plus 90 into 1. 11 1 ja, 11 7 ja. 30 plus 40, 70 plus 0, 70, 70 plus 70, 140, 140 plus 90, that value equal to 230. So maximum capacity value is 230, and the solution set, optimal solution set is x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 1, x3 equal to 0, x4 equal to 10 by 11, x5 equal to 1. Next, another problem. A thief enters a house for probing it. He can carry a maximal weight of 60 kilos into the bag. There are 5 items in the house with the following weights and weights and values. What item should thief take if he can even take the fraction of any item with him? Now here 5 items is given, that 5 items weight values are given, that 5 items profit values are given, maximum weight value is, maximum capacity value is 60. So here first here P1 Pi by Wi values to find. Value 30 by 5. 35 by 5 value is 6. 40 by 10. 40 by 10 value is 4. 40 by 15 value is 3. 77 by 22. 77 by 22 value is 3.5. 90 by 25 value is 3.6. So already we calculated here, we calculated the values. Now here first we insert the highest ratio value. Highest ratio value is 6. 6 corresponding value, weight value is 5. 5 we insert. 5 less than 60. Yes, we insert that one. So like that we insert all that values. So first I1 insert, next I2 insert, next I5, next I4, next finally I3. There is no chance to insert, so that value is 0. So inserting all that elements. So after inserting all that elements, we get 230 units. So already discussed that one. So here once again we see that. So first here we insert I1, X1. So X1 equal to 1, W1, 5 inserted. Remaining value is 55 is there. So 50 next we insert, and next highest ratio is 4. 4 we insert 10. So X2 equal to 1. Next we insert highest value 3.6. 25 we insert. Now 5 plus 10, 15 plus 25, 40 completed. Remaining is remaining how much value is there? 60 minus 40, 20 is there. Now insert the 20 here. From this 22 insert only 20. So 1 by 20 by 22. 10 ja 11 ja. So 10 by 11. So 10 by 11. So X4 equal to 10 by 11. So now the bag is full. Now there is no chance to insert X3. So X3 equal to 0. Now find maximum capacity value. So X1 into Pi into Xi. So P1 value is 30. 30 into 1, 30. Plus 40 into 1 is 40. Plus X3 value is 0. 45 into 0 is 0. Plus next 77 into 10 by 11. 77 into 10 by 11. 11 1 ja, 11 7 ja. 7 into 10. 70. Plus X5 is 1. That value is 90. Total value 70, 140 plus 90, 230. So maximum profit value is 290. And the corresponding optimal solution is X1 equal to 1, X2 equal to 1, X3 equal to 0, X4 equal to 10 by 11, X5 equal to 1. This is the solution set. X1 equal to 1, X2 equal to 1, X3 equal to 0, X4 equal to 10 by 11, X5 equal to 1. So this is the solution. So knapsack weights here are decreasing that weights, and to find the corresponding cost values, totally add all that values, you get 230. So that one shown here in this slide. So the maximum capacity value is 230 units. Thanks to everyone.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.